Hi everyone! Today I want to walk you through Verified, our new feature that's now rolling out across our portals, and share a few quick tips to help you get the most out of it, especially when it comes to your headshot, which is a key part of the experience. So, what's Verified? Verified introduces a trusted branded profile that appears directly on your boat detail pages. With Verified, buyers can now see verified badges and trust indicators, your company branding, broker bios and a professional photo, and key seller details. All of this is designed to build confidence and create stronger connections from the first click to lead submission. One of the most important elements of Verified is your professional photo. Buyers want to see the person behind the listing to form a connection, and a professional headshot performs best. For best results, please upload a headshot that is professional and well lit, your face is clearly visible and centered, only you in the photo, and no text, logos, boats, pets, or other images. This ensures your profile looks polished and trustworthy across all listings. How to get a professional headshot even if you don't have one. Option 1. Use a professional photo you already have. If you already have a clean professional headshot, great. Just make sure it's well lit and cropped to a square. Option 2. Use an AI headshot tool. If you don't have a headshot, there are several easy tools that can help, such as Remini, Canva, Headshot Pro, or Profile Picture AI. These tools can quickly turn a casual photo into a polished professional headshot. Option 3. Create a headshot using ChatGPT. Here's how. Upload a clear selfie where your face is visible. You can drag or upload from your camera roll. And use a prompt like, create a professional headshot from this photo. Use a clean, natural background in front of the water. Make it well lit, polished, and cropped in a square ratio. You'll hit send, and it will analyze your image. This is a great option if you want a clean, consistent look without scheduling a photo shoot. After waiting a few seconds, you'll have your professional headshot ready to go. Now that you have your new photo, this is how to upload it to Boat Wizard. First, log into Boat Wizard and navigate to your account page, which can be accessed at the top right corner. From here, you'll upload your updated broker photo. You'll click on this icon right here and select your picture. Once this is done, make sure you fill out all other required details on this page. Scroll down, and once you hit update, your changes have been saved successfully. So that's it. Your verified profile will automatically pull this information and display it on your boat detail pages as the rollout continues. Verified is a powerful new way to showcase your brand, build buyer trust, and stand out on our marketplaces. And a professional headshot and complete profile plays a big role in making that happen. If you have any questions or need help, your account manager is always happy to assist. Thanks for taking the time, and we're excited for you to take full advantage of Verified.